If you thought Black Friday was just a single day, you are sorely mistaken. It is now weeks and weeks worth of deals, but don't worry. I've managed to go ahead and surf through Amazon, as well as third-party retailer websites to find you the absolute best drone deals on Black Friday this year. Whether you're looking for cinematic camera drones, some absolutely interstellar FPVs, or maybe even just some fun toys for the kids, I've got you covered. Here are 10 of the best deals that I think are worth your time and money. Let's start off with a great all-rounder. That is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It comes in a range of different kits, but the base kit typically starts at $689, but you can get it for $519 right now. That's with the RC-N2 controller. If you want the premium kit with the RC2, the one with the screen, typically that's $869, that's just $555 right now. And if you want the Fly More combo, that's down from $979 down to just $699. That's with the extra batteries and the charger as well. The Mini 4 Pro is great because it weighs under 250 grams, records in 4K with 4x slow motion, has DJI's D-Log-M color profiles, active track 360, and crucially omnidirectional obstacle sensors. Honestly, this is a really solid deal on an incredibly capable camera drone. If you're looking for something a little bit cheaper that's still able to do 4K, then why don't you take a look at something like this guy. This is the Potensic Atom SE. It's just $239 right now, down from $289. It shoots 4K stabilized video, uses GPS tracking, and offers a really long control range. It also comes with 2 batteries that both can do up to 31 minutes in flight time. It's a super strong alternative if you don't want to get into the DJI ecosystem but still want something that can shoot 4K. Before we do that though, if you're finding any of these deals helpful, then don't forget to get subscribed down below, because right now I'm in a subscriber battle with Poco Global and I want to reach and overtake them by my birthday next year. So every single subscribe helps. If you prefer to go a little bit cheaper and still be able to control it with gesture controls, then this is the guy for you. This is the DJI Neo Motion Fly More combo. Yes, the DJI Neo 2 is out now, but the original Neo is still a great drone for the price. It's down from $449 to $379. It comes with the drone itself, the goggles N3, and that motion controller, making it a really great point for starting if you're wanting to get into FPV. But let's move away from all of these cinematic drones and start talking about the big boys, FPV. Right now, Beta FPV have 20% off site-wide, meaning that you can pick up some pretty great deals on their bundles, as well as frames and cameras. If you've been eyeing kits like the Cetus X FPV kit, it brings it down to around £210. It provides everything that you need to get started in FPV without breaking the bank. And if you're wanting to get into FPV without having to build your own drone, then DJI has you covered with the Avata 2. Right now, the drone on its own is typically $429, but you can grab it for just $359. It comes with a 4K camera, a ducted frame for indoor and tight space flying, as well as an optional motion controller for intuitive immersive flying. Yes, you are still going to need the N3 goggles or the Goggles 3 and some kind of controller, but if you've already got those, then this is a great deal on a really capable FPV drone. Let's go ahead and take things down a notch to some of the really fun flyers that are made for kids or just a little bit of fun. The Nayfire N11 Pro is one of those drones that comes in ridiculously cheap, but actually performs fairly well. It comes in for just $129.99. It's 50% off right now. Despite its low cost, it has a fold-out remote that connects to your phone, built-in camera, and GPS for things like hold and one-button return to home. It is ideal for someone who's wanting to get into learning the drone basics without absolutely breaking the bank and without worrying too much that you're going to break the thing if you crash. Next up is the Avil Logic Q9 Kids Drone. This is a lot of fun and it's super cheap too, coming in at around £31 right now. It has bright LED propellers, simple one-button controls, and a protective frame to survive crashes. It's fun, durable starter drone, perfect for indoor flights. Finally, let's talk about the big boys, those super expensive cinema drones. They are actually on sale and they are less expensive than you might expect. Let's talk about the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More bundle. Typically, this guy retails for $2,299, but right now you can get it for under £2,000, coming in at £1,954. This pack includes the ND filters, a charging hub, extra batteries, and the RC2 controller. You get that triple camera system, wide, medium, and telephoto. It's capable of 5K video, a 43-minute flight time, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Essentially, it's a camera rig that fits into your backpack. Anyway guys, that is some of the absolute best drone deals that I've managed to find this Black Friday. Whether you're looking for cinematic, FPV, or just something fun, I hope I've covered everything for you. If you've found deals on drones that you think are worth shouting about, let me know in the comments section down below. And if you're wanting to buy any of these bundles, then you can absolutely do so by using my links in the description. They are, of course, affiliate links, so they do kick back and give me a little bit of money, but they don't cost you a penny extra. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video, also don't forget to get subscribed as well. We are getting so close to hitting that Poco global goal by my birthday, so every subscribe helps. Anyway, my name's been Robert. This has been Bite Size Clue, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.